What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dev here, so I'm back with another LeetCode video. So in this video I'll be looking at Zig Zag Conversion. It's a medium task. So the string PayPal is hiring, it's just they're all they want to put together, is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. You may want to display this pattern in a fixed font to get better eligibility. So you can see pay starting from that side, PayPal is hiring, so it's like in zigzag. So I mean, if you look at it, when you like translate it, you get that as you can see on the screen. Write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. So you have the prototype there, string convert string s, then int number of rows. The number of rows is the number of rows that you want the zigzag to be, then the string s is the input. So you put the string s, like in the example you can see number of rows is 3. Like you'll get a similar one like the one that you've seen on the screen. And without further ado, let me just get into how I went about doing this. So step 1, create an array of strings, one for each row. Iterate through the string, appending characters to the appropriate row. Then current row is determined by two variables, the current row and the current direction. The current direction changes only when moved up to the topmost row or down to the bottommost row. So created that algorithm there. It's actually pretty challenging. Then you use direction. You create a variable direction. The rows are there. So you have like in that function takes in 2 parameters. So yeah, I mean it was actually not it didn't take me that long to be able to figure out how this algorithm works, but maybe moving forward I'll be able to like get to like tinker around with it, because it was actually pretty interesting to see. A lot of the times I check out LeetCode tasks, I never saw this type of code the way they're writing it. But when I went to do some research and I put it together, this is what I got. And happy coding. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.